In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin using the MoonPay wallet. This guide will take you step by step through the necessary actions to complete your purchase efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for MoonPay and press enter. You should now see the MoonPay homepage, which allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the highlighted section on the homepage. You will see various options for purchasing cryptocurrency. Once you find it, click on the highlighted area to proceed to the next step. After that, look for a button that says Buy. This is typically prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button will direct you to the crypto purchasing section of the site. Once this appears, find the option labeled Buy Crypto and click on it. This will take you to a page specifically dedicated to buying different cryptocurrencies. On this new page, locate the button that says Buy BTC. Clicking this will allow you to proceed specifically with purchasing Bitcoin. Now you should see an option that says Select Asset. Click on this to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Next, find a section labeled Popular Tokens. This will display a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Click on this section to continue. After that, locate Bitcoin in the list of popular tokens. Once you find it, click on it to select Bitcoin for your purchase. You will now be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Type in the desired amount into the provided field. Once you've entered the amount, click on the button that says Continue with Bitcoin. This will take you to the order confirmation page. On the confirmation page, find the button labeled Confirm Order and click on it to finalize your purchase details. Next, click on the Buy button to proceed with the transaction. You will then see an option labeled Pay With. Click on this to choose your preferred payment method. A message will appear prompting you to choose how to pay. This may include options like Apple Pay, debit card, or credit card. Click on the payment method you wish to use. For example, you can select Apple Pay if that is your preferred option. Alternatively, you can choose to pay with a debit card or credit card. Click on the respective option based on your preference. After selecting your payment method, a message will appear displaying the total amount you need to pay. Review this to ensure accuracy. Next, locate the section labeled Deliver To and click on it to specify where you would like the Bitcoin to be delivered. Finally, click on the Pay button to complete your transaction. This will initiate the payment process for your Bitcoin purchase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.